Hello, I'm Marie and I went fabric shopping! So this is my summer fabric haul. Every summer I go to my favorite fabric warehouse, which is in my hometown, and I get a lot of fabric that pretty much lasts me throughout the year. It's wonderful. It just has tables full of fabric and you just dig through it until you find what you want, and then you try to find enough of what you want to make something out of, but it's really cheap. I found a bunch of great stuff and I'm about to show you. So the first thing I got was this lovely brown check. It's like a kind of a brownish, reddish, orangish, yellow, black check, and I think it would make a great 1860s men's shirt, or I could make an apron or slap bonnet out of it. Not really sure, but probably something out of this will end up on my Etsy site pretty soon. The second fabric is this green velvet. So you will see later, one of the projects I'm working on requires velvet. I could not find enough of this green velvet to make it out of, so it ended up being a different color. But I loved this piece too much to give it up, so it'll probably end up being like a caplet or a little cape. Or something. I haven't really decided yet. I just really liked it, so I got it. The next piece is this lovely blue here, which is going to end up being my Victorian bathing outfit. I'm super excited about this project. I'm going to the beach with my boyfriend and I'm going to make him a men's Victorian bathing outfit, or Edwardian. It's like right turn of the century, so it's like 1900s, so it's kind of like Gilded Age, Victorian, Edwardian. But yes, be on the lookout because this will be turned into a bathing dress. I have the pattern already. I'm super excited about it. It's going to be amazing. I wanted to do this for a long time and now I'm finally getting to do it. So I found some Hufflepuff fabric here. I'm going to make myself a little travel pillow for my trip. If you don't know already, if you don't follow my Instagram, I'm going to go study abroad at Oxford, and I'm pretending it's the Muggle Harry Potter Oxford Hogwarts. So I'm pretending I'm going to Hogwarts, because you know, some of the movie was filmed there, and like my dining hall inspired Harry Potter's dining hall. Yes, so I got Hufflepuff fabric. I'm going to make myself a nice little travel pillow for the planes and trains and automobiles that I will be on. Then I got a bunch, and I mean a bunch, of this beautiful, would you call this like a mauve? It's like a purple, lavender, wine, burgundy. I don't know, I haven't decided what color it is exactly, but I really like it, and it was $1.99 at Yard and I couldn't say no. So I'm not sure exactly what will happen with this fabric. Like, part of me, it's kind of speaking like it wants to be like an 1830s dress, because I've seen everyone making those lately and they look amazing, but I just don't have an event to wear them to yet, unless I just want to go to the Charles Dickens fair, but I can't do that. I live on the wrong side of the country. So I'm not sure what it'll be, but I just really liked it. I got some linen. Whenever I find linen at this fabric warehouse, I have to get it, because linen is just such a good historical fabric that you can use for so many things, and just nice white linen is just so versatile, and I can use it for pretty much caps, aprons, linings, fichus, like the list goes on. Tunics, like literally everything. Linen's great. So this is like the thicker linen I got. You can't see through it really. And then I found some super sheer linen. and it's amazing. I think I'm going to make like the finest chemise you have ever seen out of it. So I also got this black and tan checked, which is also great for slap bonnets, aprons, and 1860s stuff, which will also probably end up being something on my Etsy. Also, if you like any of this fabric and want something custom made, just message me or comment below. So far it is uncut and it's beautiful and it can be something for you. So then I got some really cute firefighter material. It just has a bunch of things with firefighters on it because my boyfriend's going to be a firefighter and I'm going to make him something out of it. And then I got some orange and blue checked, which is also good. So we're reenacting material. Good slap bonnet, apron, man shirt. It's not enough to make a dress out of, but definitely some really nice accessories could be made out of it. I got this giant wheel of white grosgrain ribbon for $3. I have all the ribbon now. So I got this very wide green and white stripe because this is what I'm going to end up making my boyfriend's vintage Edwardian bathing suit out of. He really wanted green and white striped because of the abominable swimsuit from Phineas and Ferb. Yeah. So this was probably my favorite find. It is this nice burgundy. Now this is actually burgundy or red, a deep red velvet. And that is because when I am going to study abroad at Oxford, I have decided to make a German Renaissance gown. I'm very excited about it. It's going to look like this. And I needed, like, it's the velvet, but velvet's very expensive and I didn't want to pay $25 a yard because I would only make that dress this year and that would be the only dress I would make. So this is actually upholstery velvet. It's not supposed to be worn on your body, but I am. And it was only like $4 a yard, which I can afford. So it's nice. It's a little stiff, but I can make that work. And it's going to be paired with this gold brocade that I will show you in the next clip. The next fabric I told you about is this lovely gold brocade that looks so much like the picture. It's not funny. See? So I'm just going to wear this with the gold, this lovely gold and red brocade, and I'm going to pair that with the red velvet I just showed you, and I'm going to frolic around in an old castle-like building and live my best life. So I got this gold and red trim that goes with my dress for my German Renaissance dress, and it's wonderful. I think I'm either going to use it to trim the dress. Oh, cat. Okay, my cat is very interested in chasing this trim. If you look really, really close, I was talking to my granny who makes jewelry, and we had decided that it looks like the chain that she's wearing across her neck is little pieces of fabric just like looped together, kind of like those paper chains you make when you're a kid, but with like ribbon. So I think I'm going to make that with this, and then I'm also going to use it to trim the headpiece whose official name escapes me at the moment, but I'm excited. That's probably going to be, I'm going to make the Victorian bathing suit. That's my next project, and then the next project you're going to see is this German Renaissance gown, and then I'm going to go to Oxford, and then you get to go see my European adventures where I just frolic around in historic places, and it's going to be great. So let me know if you've ever been abroad to the UK and what I should go see. Open to suggestions now, what you would like to see in videos and what you think I would enjoy seeing over there. And I hope you enjoy all that is to come with all of this fabric that I have purchased. She's my kitty. Hi, Gabby. Gabby, do you want to say hi to the peoples? She's a sewing cat. She likes to sit on fabric. She holds it down for me. It's great. You just want to come and sit on all my fabric, don't you, Gabby? Don't you, Gabby? She didn't come from the fabric warehouse. We already had her. You found fabric to sit on, didn't you?